With perfectly long, fluffy Basmati rice, today I will show you how to make White Pulao. This White Pulao is even easier to cook than Basmati Pulao, but the taste is absolutely amazing. You can serve it with kosher chicken, slow-cooked meat curry, potato stuff, paneer, or almost anything. This delicious White Pulao is truly very tasty. Today, I will show you how to make White Pulao with the correct measurement of rice and water. Once you make White Pulao this way, you will definitely want to make it again and again. So without further delay, let's start today's delicious Pulao recipe. Hello, I'm Akash. Welcome everyone to my kitchen, and let's begin today's recipe. First, for making Pulao, I have taken a mixing bowl. In this, I am adding 1.5 bowls of Basmati rice. I am measuring the rice with this bowl, and I will use the same bowl to measure the water. You can use any bowl or cup of your choice, but it's very important to keep the rice and water measurement consistent. For perfect pulao, the correct ratio of rice and water is extremely important. Now wash the rice very well by changing the water 2 to 3 times. I have washed the rice properly. Next, I will soak the rice in water for 1 hour. This helps the rice grains become long and fluffy. If the rice is not soaked, the grains won't turn out as long. After 1 hour, I have completely drained the water from the rice. Now I am spreading the rice slightly in the bowl so that the excess moisture dries out. Next, in a pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon white oil and 1 tablespoon ghee. I am cooking with a mixture of oil and ghee. You can also cook it entirely in ghee if you want, but it should not be made with only oil. Ghee is essential. Once the ghee has melted well, I am adding cashews and raisins. I've taken 1 handful of raisins and 1 handful of cashews. Fry them lightly, it doesn't take much time. Once they get a light color, remove them and keep aside. In the remaining oil and ghee, add 2 bay leaves and whole spices, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 to 4 cloves, and about 4 cardamom pods. Stir them for a few seconds until fragrant. When the aroma of the spices mixes well with the ghee, add ginger. I have grated the ginger, but you can also crush it. Grated ginger tastes very nice while eating. I added about 1 teaspoon grated ginger and lightly fried it in the ghee. After frying the ginger for a few seconds, add the rice. Now add salt to taste. I added about half a teaspoon for now. You can adjust it later if needed. Now lightly fry the rice. Since the rice is still slightly moist, fry it gently with the ghee so the grains don't break. This helps the rice become fragrant and absorbs the ghee flavor well. I fried the rice gently for about 5 to 7 minutes without pressing too hard. Now add water using the same bowl used for measuring rice. I used 1.5 bowls of rice, so I added double the amount of water, which is 3 bowls. Now add the fried cashews and raisins. Add sugar. Since this is a mildly sweet pulao, sugar is needed a bit more. I added about 3 tablespoons of sugar, but you can adjust according to your taste. Mix everything well. Now add a few green chilies, slightly slit. This enhances the flavor of the pulao. When the water starts boiling lightly, cover the pan and cook on medium to low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid. You'll see that the rice has absorbed most of the water and is almost cooked. Gently stir once, then cover again and cook on very low heat for another 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid and turn off the gas. The rice is perfectly cooked. This pulao doesn't take much time since the rice was soaked earlier. Overcooking will make the rice mushy and unpleasant. Total cooking time should not exceed 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, add half a teaspoon ghee on top, cover, and let it rest for 5 minutes with the gas off. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Our pulao is now completely ready. This pulao is wonderfully aromatic and incredibly tasty. It tastes amazing with slow-cooked meat curry, and you can also enjoy it with potato stuff or paneer. This is one of the easiest pulao recipes, and when made this way, the rice grains turn out long, fluffy, and perfectly separate. Not a single grain is broken. Do try this White Pulao at home. It tastes absolutely delicious. Let me know how you liked today's recipe by liking or commenting below. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to watch more such videos. Take care, stay healthy. I'll be back with another recipe soon. That's all for today. Bye-bye.